Congratulations on completing your SEO audit. Isn't it great to know so much information about your website? I know after I complete an SEO audit, I feel so much better about my chances of ranking a website as I know exactly how to go about it. I hope you are feeling the same way right now too. As I stated in the beginning of this course, I recommend you complete this course in order to use the action steps I gave you to do your own SEO audit. But if you haven't started your audit yet, I recommend that you go back to the beginning and start with on-page optimization. Don't skip this step or even do it second. It's important your website is fully prepared before you move on. I've included a full list of the action steps you need to take to complete your SEO audit in this section. I encourage you to download it and use it as you get started. This will help you stay on track and complete the audit in the right order. You'll also want to download the blank SEO audit template if you haven't already, so you can keep track of your findings as you go. And if you get stuck or have any questions, please start a new discussion so I can help. Don't put this off. The only way to see results is to take action. So get started right now.